guest experience.
Well, HMM, well done. Taking home a cake and a certificate.
This will be taking a great photograph. We have Jeet, our royal photographer, who is on board and who is here from our guest services team as Senior Guest Services Officer, Jeff.
Congratulations, Jeff. And Jeff is the final nominee for January front of house. Guys, let's put it together one more time. Well done. Let's have all of our nominees in the front. If you can come over.
Sa galing naman si Ukit.
Kapitan. Ano sa duty mo, Kapitan? Baka hindi pa daw ng allotment, ha? Oh, Kapitan. Oh, gwapo talaga. Dahil nga, gusto lang yan. Ayaw mga masaan matanda, uugod-ugod lang.
Natanda eh.
Ayaw mo masabi kay matanda. Ay, bilis, bakit?
Kaya natanda.
Dali.
Kaya natanda ka eh.
Oh, ikaw natanda, hindi ka makabangon.
Ugod-ugod. Ganito ka ng damit?
The mother. See how the director with Tita.
Mami, napahirapan.
We have celebration here. Breaking news on the CNN. We see your pictures. We're gonna celebrate all together. Join us, please. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eva. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Blow. Blow, mami. Blow mo na. Yay! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Eva. Happy birthday to you, Eva. Happy birthday, dear Eva. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Kumain mo. Sisira appetite mo lang.
Fish.
Make a simple dish but make it too expensive. Patay ko ngayon. Narinig ba yung wish niya? Makahayap lupa at sasakyan na ulit. Salamat po.
Thank you, sir.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sweetheart. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday. Make a wish.
Many more years, eh?
Di pa. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ganun ka na tulo.
Sabi ko na, umalis, birthday!
Pala, may paano pala, may pa-effect.
Kaya na ako.
Huwag na.
Sabi, makikita to ng R&D goal. Ay, makita
Niliwanan
na.
na ako.
Ano naman ito? Mabarangay.
Sabi mo, ay, lahat naman tayo nagbayad. Amin nga lang kaunti.
May makatok pa security.
Ito na bukang bahay dito.
Ganito rin. Happy birthday.
Ay, lakas mo. Sinasabi ko na. Ano nga? Sama.
Sabi mo kay daddy.
Nana. Isang muli sa kanila. Nasabi ko na yan. Agoy. Sama-sama na ka. Nana. Nasabi ka. Bagay pa. Ngayon ako'y 65 na. Bagay! Bagay! Bagay na ba kay Arian? Bagay! Bagay na! Ah,
Happy birthday.
nagkalas mo ang gusto na yan.
Mami, masikat ka na.
Uy, ako lagi